Hi there and welcome to Kapow WoW Maths. And today what we are going to be learning about is to be able to subtract using the partition method. Now I did show yesterday how to use the partition method but for addition or adding. That's very easy. So today we're going to be looking at subtracting, taking away. This can be easy, but in some instances very, very difficult. So I'm going to show you a Kapow WoW way how to do it. So, the first question. 458 minus 217. I would say this is a bit of an easy question. We'll go through it. Again, success criteria. You've got to partition the numbers, minus the hundreds, minus the tens, minus the units, and then what do we do together? I didn't hear it. That's Friday morning voice, that. Louder. That's Kapow. Right. So we need to partition 458. 458. Tian what's 458 partitioned?
458.
Kapow. Who can tell me 217 partitioned? Oh, I'm going to say Ming Dang.
210 and 7.
Wow, Ming Dang gone. Fantastic. 400 minus 200, can we do that?
Yeah.
So 400 minus 200, yes, Twan Tan? 50 take away 10, Twan Tan, can we do that? Well done, so we've taken the hundreds, now we're taking the tens. Now we're going to take away the units. 8 minus 7, Zweening, can we do that?
Yeah.
And 8 minus 7 is?
1.
1. And even though we're subtracting, we need to now add the total. So 200 plus 40 plus 1, Tian
241.
241 Kapow. So that is a very simple question, but Mr. Chris wants to show actually more difficult ones. So that's what we're going to do. Okay? Now, this time we've got 528 minus 134. We need to partition the numbers first, so let's do that first. Who can tell me? Anna, what is 528 partitioned?
528.
Kapow. Who can tell me 134 partitioned? Baojang.
134.
Right, excellent. Now, this is where it gets a bit difficult. So we'll go through maybe 2 more questions with it. 500 take away 100. Can I do that? Minghan?
Yes.
What's the answer?
300.
Okay, so 500 minus 100 is 400. Now, if I've got 20, Mr. Chris has 20 pieces of Lego. Can somebody take 30 away? No. So, what we need to do, how much do I need to get from 20? So how many more do I need to get from 20 to get to 30? Bowling. If I've got 20, how much do I need to make 30?
10.
Well done. Now, so I'm going to call this 30. Okay, so I'm going to call this 30, but it's not. Now, if I added 10 here, what must I do to this number?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. So 500 minus 10 is?
400.
I can't hear you.
400.
Kapow. So we then need to minus 10 from here as well. Okay? So what's 400 minus 10? Yes?
390.
Excellent. 390. Now I've got 30. So 30 minus 30 equals?
0.
0, because we didn't know that before. What's 8 minus 4? Anton?
Equals 4.
Kapow. So now we've got our answer. We've got 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 9 plus nothing is 9. And 3 plus nothing is 3. So the answer is 394. So I'll go through another one. Okay, so here we go. New cloth. John, new cloth, but I will be getting the black one. So we've got our answer there. Let's try and do this one. 730 minus 342. So we need to partition again. We're doing very well here. So, Kantian, what's 738 partitioned?
738.
Correct. What about 342 partitioned? Mingtuan, 342 partitioned.
342 partition.
40 and 2. So go through it slowly. Now, 700 minus 300. What's the answer, Elizabeth? Elizabeth, 700 minus 300. 400, yes. 30 minus, if Mr. Chris has 30 pieces of Lego, can somebody take away 40? Zwingli? No, I cannot. No way, Jose. How much do I need to get from 30 to 40?
10.
Correct. Now, so we'll call this 40 now. But if I've added 10 here, what must I do to my 700? Minus 10. So what's 700 minus 10? 690. And I can now take 10 away from my answer. What's 10 away from 400? Yes?
490.
What was that?
390.
390. I'll let you off, it's Friday morning. 390. So now, 40 minus 40 equals what? Because we didn't know before. Bang hang.
Equals 0.
Well done. So this is why you need to do your workings out so you know what's happening, okay? 8 minus 2, can we do that? What's the answer? Quackeye.
6.
Right, so now it's 6. So now I can add. So 0 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus nothing is 9. So the answer is 396. Right, we'll do one more. Because like I say, this is a little bit tricky, but it's all about borrowing. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So the final one. So we're going to do 639 minus 352. Quinton, what is 639? We need to partition. Partition, go.
639.
Kapow. That was very good. What about 352? Partition, Ding Dong.
352.
That's good. Right. Now, fantastic. 600 minus 300. Excellent. Now, tricky question. Can we do 30 minus 50? So we need to work out how much do we need to add to turn 30 into 50? Yes, correct. Now, if I've added 20 here, what should I do to minus 600? Minus 200. So what's 200? Oh, sorry, 600, sorry. Always double check. 600 minus 20. Zwini.
580.
Wow. Easy. And I just take 20 away from my 300. So what's 300 minus 20? 300 minus 20. Elizabeth, 300 minus 20. Correct. Okay. So now we've got that. So now we've got 50 take away. 50 is
0.
yeah, we didn't know it before, so that's 0. 9 take away 2. Go on then. Twan. Fantastic. So now we need to add together. So 0 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus nothing is 8. And 2 plus nothing is 287. So I'm hoping that you now understand watching that. Please watch it over again. If you're still not sure, send me some questions. And thank you for all the nice messages. So that is how you do subtraction using partition method. So, thank you for watching. Kapow Wow Maths. And have a good groovy weekend. And keep on watching Kapow Wow Maths. Let's clap.